Hello everyone. In this session, we will explore the information functions. These functions let you check the status of a cell and its content. They are normally used in combination with the logical functions, especially with the function if, creating a nested function. In this video, I will show you how to use individually the basic functions like ISBLANK, ISFORMULA, ISNUMBER, ISTEXT, ISERROR. You can download the support document for this session from the link indicated in the description of the video. So let's get on it. The function ISBLANK checks whether a reference cell is an empty cell and returns true or false. Let's check which cells are blank on column E. Select cell L2, type the equal sign, then the function name ISBLANK, open a parenthesis and select cell E2. Close the parenthesis and press enter. Duplicate the formula to the rest of the cells, and let's take a quick look on the false ones. That means that that cell has content, and the ones that are true are blank. All of these matches. Here we have one that is false, but there is no data. Let's click on the cell, and we can identify that it does have information, but the color formatting was white, so it was not displaying. Let's change the color, and it's there now. The function ISFORMULA checks whether a reference cell is containing a formula and returns true or false. Let's check the cells on column J. The nature of this cell is calculating the extended cost by multiplying the unit cost by quantity, so we can expect all the cells to be formulas. Select cell M2, type the equal sign, then the function name ISFORMULA, open a parenthesis, select cell J2, close the parenthesis, and press enter. Duplicate the formula to the rest of the cells. Let's take a quick look if there is any false ones. Yes, we have 3. Let's check on the cell. This cell has the extended cost type instead of calculated. That's why we got the false. The function ISNUMBER checks whether a value is a number and returns true or false. For this function, we will check cells across the columns. Let's use the last row. Select cell A18, type the equal sign, then the function name ISNUMBER, open a parenthesis and select cell A16. Close the parenthesis and press enter. Duplicate the formula to the rest of the cells to the right. There is a remark that I would like to make here. Dates are detected as a number by this formula because each day in Excel has a numerical value assigned that allows calculations to be made with them. From the other columns, A, H, I, and J are numbers. The function ISTEXT checks whether a value is text and returns true or false. We would check the same row as the previous function. Select cell A19, type the equal sign, then the function name ISTEXT, open a parenthesis, and select cell A16. Close the parenthesis and press enter. Duplicate the formula to the rest of the cells to the right. Several of these contain text from the columns checked. The function ISERROR checks whether a value is an error and returns true or false. There are different types of errors in Excel coming from a formula. In this other sample data, I have several formulas that were executed. Select cell E2, type the equal sign, and then the function name ISERROR, then open a parenthesis, select the cell C2, close the parenthesis, and press enter. Duplicate the formula to the rest of the cells. Several of these are true for different type of errors. At the beginning of the video, I mentioned these functions are normally used with logical functions. Let me show you an example on how that looks like. This example is a simple report on orders and shipments for a cell phone part number 1234. On the order row shows how many cells are ordered per month. On the shipments row, show how many have been shipped on those months. On the delta row, I will add a formula to tell us if the shipment for that month is complete, and if it is not complete, how many are still pending to complete, or if there are no shipments, show pending. Type the equal sign, then the function if, open a parenthesis, then the function ISBLANK, open a parenthesis, and select the cell C3. Close the parenthesis and then comma. Type pending in double quotation marks, comma, and then type another function if, open a parenthesis, and open another parenthesis. Select cell C2 minus C3, close the parenthesis, equals 0, comma, complete within double quotation marks, comma, select cell C2 minus C3, close the parenthesis, and press enter. Duplicate the formula to the rest of the cells, and here we have the results. The first 2 months are completed, the month of March is in progress and 2 cells are pending to ship, and the rest of the months are pending. So, this is an example of how the information functions work within a nested function. I hope you find this video helpful to get you familiarized with Excel. Thank you for watching, and if you like my content, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get access to my series of tutorials to learn Excel step by step. I'll see you in the next video.